The secretary bird. Not your typical bird of prey. She's a raptor. On stilts. About the height of a 7-year-old child. And while she can fly, she'd rather go by foot. Those long legs aren't just for walking. They help see into the tall grass. They look a little ungainly, but don't be fooled. That kick is lethal. Unleashing 44 pounds of force, this living velociraptor is also a mom. For 3 months, the secretary bird chicks have had everything provided by their parents. Now, they must start fending for themselves. Catching it doesn't come easily. Luckily, Mom's on the case. She'll keep feeding her young for another 2 months as the awkward youngsters learn to be deadly assassins, just like Mom.